guessing he brought friends. The great Amaziyah. Thanks for the correction, darling. I see why he's the great. Oh, clapping, please.
Thank you very much, Candice. IRAWMA, it's a pleasure, it's a joy to be here, it's an honor. Martin International and the whole IRAWMA team, maximum respect. Without further delay, I'm going to do this poem called Legends Leaving Us. Because in the year already, it's a historic moment in time. Big respect to my wife, Miss Kirkland in the house, and all your fans who voted for me, thanks. Last September when I looked, it was the passing of Reggae legend Toots. Shortly after that, Daddy U-Roy passed, R.I.P., another icon embedded in our hearts. Yesterday after I got the news, Reggae icon Bunny died. Today I'm not in a happy mood. Miss Lubab Andy inspired many. Michael Sharp, I'm a general, loved by many. I left Jamaica, come overseas, Kobe and DMX gone. Legends are leaving us for really a gone. But Marley gone at Silicon, Dennis Brown. Honestly, I still wish you around, because some are treating business like a circus, too much clowns. Globally, loved ones are grieving, feeling hurt. Even while I'm speaking, some weeping, the legends are leaving earth. Powerful black men were put to death. Call it whatever you want, this is a total mess. If it's not sickness, it's murder. Go on, feel free to check. I'm not cold, I speak bold until my last breath. Shabik Boozman gone too soon, I'm still saying Wakanda forever. My people be wise and realize we are stronger together. Babylon the one with rise, them tell lies and act like them clever. Some say Black Lives Matter. Let's see if it will get better. IRAWMA, me ask them how can it be better when they're divided and ignorant? Destruction and confusion, no progression and ignorance. And you're too busy on TikTok watching your leader comedy jokes. I see you twerking on IG, not paying attention to the posts I wrote. We are powerful together. All we need is support. Seek knowledge, increase the vocabulary, for life is no jokes. Be careful of the foods you consume. Poisonous stuff in what they promote. Who created all these diseases and viruses and claim there is no antidote? The great legends are gone and I'm feeling provoked. This is no joke. My code will make people stay woke. Are legends really leaving us? Are they being killed? I'm somewhat bewildered. It's just a question I'm asking still. As my mind navigates to invade my thoughts, why? Evil men reign longer and good one die early. This concerns me and I won't lie. Marcus Garvey, Jamaica's first national hero, one of the world's greatest man, uniting black people all over for Africa was his greatest plans. New story revealed. He met his demise after suffering a stroke. I think they took him on purpose. Then this is no jokes. It's obvious they want to get rid of a powerful black man. I will not sit and be silent. My spoken words explode like bombs. I wish someone would confess about the death of Dr. Sadie, the man who cured many diseases, including AIDS and things seem crazy. On February 21st, 1965, Malcolm X assassinated. April 4th, 68, in the States, Martin Luther King Jr. assassinated. Tupac, Biggie, Nipsey murdered. They think that's coincidence? Once you have power with the people, them delete you, and that's evident. Legends are leaving us, only God know why. Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, and Prince parade them till the day I die. Aaliyah, so young when she lost her life when the plane crashed, the whole world cried. Gandhi, a great man assassinated. Why? I would not complete my list of legends. I'm not mentioning King Selassie. Rest in peace, all you great legends, work well done. Our ancestors fought long for us to get freedom. Educate yourselves. IRAWMA will not sit and be silent, me no mute, me no dumb. Wait for it on stage. Our journey continue perpetually like the rise of the sun. Maximum respect and thanks to all fans. Big respect to all nominees. Thank you very much, IRAWMA. Tell them precisely. Great way to get over the sunshine we make here. Look out and check my book out, Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland, available on Amazon. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Precisely Great. Tell them precisely. We never stop.
Give it up, give it up.